Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm so glad that you're here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Now we're on the second part of our abstract. So I'm just going to go straight to there, and then I'll see you at the end. Well, you can see it's not done. And I know that's disappointing, but paintings don't all the time end up like we want. But here's my hope, that I will finish this and have it for you next week instead of in 2 weeks. So you don't have to wait. And I'm wanting to get this finished because I'm now liking how it's coming out. So Have a good week. Enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And so know that I love you. See you next week. Bye.